Two teenagers have been taken into custody after Erie police recovered 4 firearms from a home on Atkins Street. On Sunday around 1:20 p.m., Erie police responded to a call. An individual reporting that a teenage boy had pointed a gun that had pointed at the caller's home. Erie police found the suspects, ages 15 and 17, on Atkins Street. Police were given consent to search the home and found 3 handguns and a rifle.
There must have been some sort of altercation. The juvenile pulled out the weapon and pointed it at the victim's house. Obviously, if anyone sees juveniles with handguns, obviously, you know that they shouldn't be in possession of those things.
One of the teens is facing charges including possession of a firearm by a minor, and the other teen is facing a stolen property charge.